Hey everyone, it's your girl AJ coming to you guys with another video. So in this video, I will be taking you guys to the studio with me. Alright, and see we're gonna take some pictures, do a little photo shoot. But before I get into it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's get into the video.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need that other sun and friendship. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. I wanna all night. I want all night. I wanna all night.
Stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't.
Yeah. Up in Lexus like it's 07, I just hit a lick, gotta hit the next one. Last year I know you learned your lesson, I could GPS you if you need addressing. Just saw about a bigger homie, but I'm 1 year older than my little homie. 09, they was bidding on me, but I'm young, money got it written on me. Okay, now we... Now you here right next to me. Don't you see Riri right next to me? I hate a rapper especially. They feel the same but they hide it. They just discuss it in private. They get along, man, we tried it. What's the point in even trying? I hate a goofy especially. They always dying to mention me. They gotta die out eventually. I cannot give you the recipe. You know the game is so separately. Swear I just had an epiphany. It cost me 50 at Tiffany's. Shout out to Tiffany.
You know I forgot to almost introduce my models? Introduce yourself.
Zoya.
That's my cousin, y'all. That's my cousin. She wanna act all shy, but that's Zoya, all right? And this is my
brother Dev. What's going on? Underscore Dev underscore elephant on IG. You already know all that.
And what's your IG, Zoya?
Zoya David XOYA DAVID.
All right, guys. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But you guys know what to do when it's time for me to go. Please like, comment, and subscribe. All right? Peace.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. it's just annoying me.